Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for competitive analysis. This is your full 2025 guide for turning data into insights that can give you the upper hand in your market. Let's get started. First up, create a new base in Airtable. This will serve as your primary workspace for competitive analysis. The reason we do this is to keep our data organized and easily accessible. Now let's set up our main table. Name it Competitors and create the following columns: company name, strengths, weaknesses, market position, and key opportunities. This helps us because it provides a structured way to compare our competitors, highlighting key areas where we can gain an advantage. Next up, it's time to fill in the data. This is where you'll need to do some homework. Research each competitor thoroughly and enter the data in the respective columns. The reason we do this is to have a clear, comprehensive view of our competition. It's critical to be as accurate and honest as possible here, as this will directly impact the effectiveness of your analysis. Now that we've done that, let's put Airtable's powerful filtering and sorting features to use. You can use these features to prioritize and categorize your competitors based on different criteria. This helps us because it allows us to focus on the most relevant competitors and identify patterns or trends that might not be immediately obvious. Lastly, don't forget to make use of Airtable's collaboration features. Sharing your table with your team enables brainstorming and idea exchange, which can lead to more effective strategies. This matters because getting different perspectives can often lead to more nuanced understanding and better decision-making. So, there you have it, a quick but comprehensive guide on how to use Airtable for competitive analysis. Remember, the key is in the details. The more accurate and comprehensive your data, the more effective your competitive analysis will be. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.